Meaning of Cymbeline. Cymbeline. Cymbeline.
Cymbeline. Cymbeline. Cymbeline is the title of a play written by William Shakespeare. It tells the story of a British king named Cymbeline and his family, including his daughter Imogen and stepson Cloten. The play explores themes of love, loyalty, betrayal, and forgiveness. The name Cymbeline likely derives from the Latin word cymbalum, meaning a brass instrument, as well as the Celtic name Cunobelinus, which was borne by several ancient British kings. Overall, Cymbeline is a complex and engaging work of literature that continues to be studied and performed to this day.